Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by confirming the essentials. Both devices must be awake, Bluetooth on, and on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, check Watch OS and iOS versions and update the out-of-date device. Mismatched software often blocks installs. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch, then App Store. This gets you directly into the pairing and app management area, so you can control installs from the phone rather than waiting on the watch alone. Next, tackle conflicts. In the Watch app, toggle automatic app install off and then back on to reset the queue. This clears stalled transfers. Make sure to force a soft restart of the watch by holding the side button and sliding power off, then power back on. This refreshes background services. If an app still won't install, remove it from the iPhone's Watch app and reinstall from there, because the phone manages the transfer and can push a fresh package. To finish, verify free storage on the watch and free up space if needed. Lack of space blocks installs. Make sure you're signed into the App Store on the iPhone, sign out and in again to refresh purchase permissions if downloads fail. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch from the Watch app. This rebuilds the connection and often resolves stubborn installation errors. Key troubleshooting tip: if repairing isn't possible, try a network reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.